Hey guys, it's Abby with Smartass Sass, and I am here to show you what was in the May subscription box. So May's theme was work hard, play hard. And every month you get a little booklet or an insert that tells you the theme, obviously. But it also shows you everything that you're getting that month, who it came from, where you can get more of their stuff, and then it also gives you a preview to the following month. So June's box this month the theme is I don't give a fuck, and it's all abbreviations. We had a lot of fun with it. We didn't go overboard, I promise, but you have just a couple more days to subscribe and we're really close to selling out. So if you're interested in getting the June box, I'd recommend signing up right away. Okay, let's see. So first up, I am going to show you this little travel size deodorant that we did with Smarty Pits. And so with this one, you got one of two variations. So we had the lavender rose, which I have here, or the rosemary mint. Great, and it's super strength natural deodorant. So this is a really good size to carry in your bag or travel with, and they both smell really good. So there's that. Next up, I'm going to show you a product that we did, S&S. So I'm going to take it out of the bag so you can see it a little better. But this is a waterproof phone bag. So you can use it for other things, of course, but we designed it for, oops, I dropped the lanyard. But we designed it with phones in mind. It fits most phone sizes. Let me take this paper out so you can see the design. It says resting beach face on it. Your touchscreen works through here, and this top part seals, and then it comes with a lanyard, so you can wear it if you're tubing or doing some summer activities. But yeah, there's that. Okay, next up we have this adorable little sign. This is from Compendium, and this cute little sign is wood, obviously. But what I love about it is it has a flat bottom, so you can set it somewhere for decoration, but you can also hang it. It has a hole pre-drilled in the back. So there's that, yay. Okay, next we have, I'm gonna show you, these two items kind of go together, so let me grab these. So this is our second time doing a coloring book. We designed this ourselves, and we called it Life's a Beach coloring book, but the theme was kind of like a tattoo style illustrations, and so they all say something funny, like this one says, I'm an adult, but not like a real adult. And subscribers have been having a ton of fun with this. In our Facebook group, they've been sharing photos of all the things they've been coloring. This one just says no. There's one that says feeling stabby that I really like. Ice cream is cheaper than therapy. So yeah, so here's the coloring book, and we intentionally did an illustration on one side and blank on the other side, so if you want to frame it or hang it on your fridge, you can. But to go along with that, we did a custom coloring tin with colored pencils. So let me take it out so you can get a closer look, but it says coloring is cheaper than therapy. And I just am obsessed with this tin. But it also has a 24 pack of colored pencils in it, pre-sharpened, obviously. So yeah, we wanted to make sure you could start coloring right away. All right, couple more things in here. So next up we have this eye mask from Hang Accessories, and we worked with Hang Accessories to custom design this mask. So it says nap time is my happy hour. It is a satin mask, and it has a really nice satin strap on the back. So it's super comfortable and so cute and really soft. So there's the underside. Okay, and then this was another item that we designed. It is a stainless steel straw set. So it comes in this cute little pouch that says, I don't give a sip. And we did a rose gold finish on these. So let me get them out so I can show you what styles. There we go. Okay, so you get 2 of the straight straws, and you get 2 of the bent straws, and then a cleaner brush, of course. So 4-pack plus a cleaner brush in this cute little pouch. Okay, almost done. So we, every year for the last 3 years, have done a summer themed tote in the same style, and so it's kind of just a tradition now, but we couldn't break it. We love these totes so much. So it is a really good sized canvas tote. This one says work hard, play hard. It has really long straps you can throw over your shoulder, which is one of my favorite things about it. It has a zip, and it also has that flat gusseted bottom. So I feel like that just adds so much more volume. And it is double-sided, so design on both sides. Work hard, play hard. And I don't know if you can see, but it's kind of like a teal color. It's kind of like our brand color. Okay, last thing, we have our collectible sticker. So every 6 months, we've been doing a different collectible item. We are starting on high quality stickers. And so this month's sticker is salty with a nice beachy theme. And so, you know, the sticker part is yay here. So yeah, those were all the items in the May subscription box. As always, we have our shirt only subscription and our big box subscription, which is all of these items plus the t-shirt. And this month's t-shirt design I am wearing, and it says, "I'm not bossy, I just have better ideas." And it is a heather purple, and for what it's worth, I'm wearing a large. So yeah, that was everything in the May subscription box. Like I said, we have a couple more days to sign up for June. The cutoff is June 12th if we don't sell out before then. Otherwise, you can sign up for July. So if you have any questions, you can email us at info@smartassandsass.com. Thanks!